Despite widespread fears of a catastrophic supervolcano eruption, scientists at the Yellowstone Volcano Observatory, YVO, have speculated that such an event would likely look much different than the scenario many have envisioned. Mark Stelten, deputy scientist in charge at YVO, explains that while the idea of a megavolcano, one that would spew massive amounts of ash and lava across the country and beyond, is often overblown, such events are extremely rare. Yellowstone's last supervolcano erupted about 640,000 years ago, and the likelihood of another eruption in the near future is extremely low. What might happen if Yellowstone were to erupt is hard to predict with certainty, though Stelten offers some insight into some of the more plausible scenarios. A smaller eruption, which is much more likely than a supervolcano, would likely produce a lava flow or dome, which, while dramatic, would be less destructive and pose less of a threat to humans. It could be a slow-moving lava flow that's not too dangerous to anyone because it can be easily removed, Stelten told Newsweek. I would expect there to be potential for wildfires as the lava erupts at high temperatures. Roads and park infrastructure could be affected, but the impact outside Yellowstone would likely be minimal. Smaller eruptions have occurred over the past 160,000 years or so, with two notable ones occurring within craters, or calderas, formed by previous super-eruptions. Sometimes these small eruptions can create small calderas within the Yellowstone caldera, Stelten said. For example, West Thumb Lake in Yellowstone is a caldera formed during an eruption 160,000 years ago, called the Bluff Point Tuff. Such smaller eruptions can also be explosive. While they may not send a massive ash cloud across the U.S., such an event would still create a large enough ash cloud that could have a local impact, Stelten said.